I'm Tiffany Chen.
And I'm Leon Chen.
We're the founders of Tiff's Treats.
Well, she's on my case constantly. She's always complaining about
I would say
things, work,
22 years
work and
of
personal.
hard labor.
We actually have a chapter about this in the book, by the way. Not about counseling, but about what annoys each other about the other person.
And we only had 40,000 words, and they were all in that chapter.
We started this little business 22 years ago when we were just 19 years old, out of our college apartment, not having a clue as to what we were doing.
Our mission was simple: to bake cookies fresh and deliver them warm right from the oven. In doing so, we started an entirely new industry as the nation's first on-demand warm cookie delivery company.
So, with a lot of hard work and a little luck along the way, the Tiff's Treats brand today is bigger than we could have ever imagined.
We've sold over 200 million cookies. We've raised close to $100 million in funding from major financial institutions like Morgan Stanley, along with some well-known investors such as Andy Roddick and Brooklyn Decker.
We're valued in the hundreds of millions of dollars and do close to 3 million deliveries a year. Tiff's Treats has over 1,600 employees with 65 locations across 11 markets in the US, and we're continuing to grow. Tiff and I have been chosen as Ernst & Young Entrepreneurs of the Year, and we've given keynote addresses to companies like Dell and Southwest Airlines.
It's incredible to think that me accidentally standing Leon up on a date started this whole thing. As we built Tiff's Treats, we also built our life. We got married, had twins, and we can't wait to tell the story of how we built the business and for the first time share recipes for some of my favorite specialty cookie flavors. So, we're writing a book about the story of Tiff's Treats, how we started, some of the things we went through to get from there to where we are today, and then a little bit about our relationship, how that's kind of woven into it, and of course about cookies.